Welcome to our series of Project Management in Practice. This video blog covers project management in the public space, in particular the Milwaukee Sewerage Renovation and Expansion Project. In 1977, by judicial and regulatory order, Milwaukee was ordered to renovate and expand their inadequate and outdated sewerage system. To do so would cost over $2 billion, involve 27 separate municipalities, and take approximately 20 years, all without disrupting existing sewerage services. To date, it has involved 306 construction and procurement contracts ranging from $100,000 to $200 million, 121 firms, and 1,500 construction personnel. The project included 20 miles of deep tunnel ranging from 17 to 32 feet in diameter and 270 to 325 feet underground, and 62 miles of near-surface tunnels and sewers. To manage this project, a Program Management Office, PMO, was established and given a set of 7 physical objectives, 7 community objectives, and 5 funding objectives. Overall, the PMO is responsible for 6 major functions: evaluation and planning, design management, cost, schedule management, construction, support service, and start. Rather than the PMO hiring all the workers needed for this project as city employees and bearing the costs of hiring, unemployment insurance, etc., an engineering consulting firm experienced in managing large municipal projects was engaged to schedule, coordinate, and technically manage the various project elements of this program. In addition to hiring construction and engineering contractors, a number of legal and public relations firms were also engaged to handle the many public conflicts that would invariably occur. One of these developed which seriously threatened the project when USA Today published a story that linked the Milwaukee sewage processing plant with an illness contracted by 3 football players. The public relations firm engaged a number of medical authorities to study the data and offer opinions. They did, and discounted the possibility of any connection, a position affirmed by the National Environmental Protection Agency. The danger blew over. Another critical point requiring political and public relations expertise concerned which of 2 major approaches were to be taken to the renovation: the separation of sewer and storm drains/tunnels, favored by excavators and pavers, plus newer communities who already had separate systems, versus the construction of deep underground storage facilities to allow the treatment plants time to process the polluted storm water, a much cheaper solution. Critical support from Milwaukee community leadership organizations and public officials eventually led to selecting the second approach. A more difficult problem, still not resolved, is how to pay for the project. Most of the suburbs preferred that the capital investment costs be paid through user charges based on the volume of wastewater entering the system. The city and other suburbs preferred that the capital costs be paid through user charges. The issue has been in and out of many courts, the state legislature, the state utility regulators, and the Public Service Commission. In addition, the community leadership organizations, public agencies, and various engineering firms and contractors involved in the project. Other stakeholders that need to be considered in the project's decisions include the EPA, the Wisconsin Department of Natural Resources, the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, the operating staff of the Milwaukee Metropolitan Sewerage District, who will assume operating control of the new system when completed, local and state politicians, the citizens and media of Milwaukee and its municipalities. As a tribute to the Milwaukee community, the contracting engineering firm designed a Milwaukee Riverwalk and solicited endorsements and funding for it. Today it is a reality. We hope you enjoyed this video blog. Be sure to visit our site at www.projectmanagementcompanion.com for more information.